Very good morning, dear students of Standard 7. Here I have came with a new lesson from your history textbook. I have already given you the explanation of lesson number 7, that is administration of Swaraj. Now here are the notes which you have to write it down in your notebook. Okay? So keep your pens and notebook ready to copy down the notes. Now here is the first question of the following lesson, that is administrations of the Swaraj. Okay, see the first question, that is name the following, and here are the answers also. So first one, the Council of 8 Department. What is that called? Ashtapradhan Mandal. Okay. Second, Bahirji Naik was the head of this department. Which department? That is Intelligence Department. The sea fort built by Maharaj near Malvan. Which sea fort? Sindhudurg. Fourth one, he looked after the war material of the fort. Who looked after the war material? Karkhanis. Next one, he was entrusted the responsibility of organizing the land revenue system by Shivaji Maharaj. That is Annaji Datto. Next one, commodity imported from the Portuguese territory that attracted heavy duty, that was salt. Next, the highest officer in the cavalry, Sarnobat. The highest officer in the army, even that is Sarnobat. The chief naval commander of Shivaji Maharaj, that is Mayank Bhandar. Mayank Bhandar. Next one, the sea fort built by Shivaji Maharaj to counter the Siddhi power, that is Padma Durg. Okay, so here are the name the following that you have to note it down. Now a second question is complete the following table. You have to make the tree. Okay, so these are the question. See, complete the following table. मिलिट्री ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कौन कौन था? एक बॉक्स एम्प्टी है और एक में कैवलरी दिया हुआ है. सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर आर्मी. Army. I am showing you the answer. See, you have to make a tree in this way. Complete the following table. Okay. Now come to our third question. Complete the following table. This table you have to complete it. Okay. Name of the minister, their designation and their work. So first one, Moro Trimbak Pingle. What is the designation of this person? He was a Pradhan. He was a Pradhan. And what was the work? Administration. Got it? Now second one, Ramchandra Nilkant Majumdar. कौन सा डेजिग्नेशन था? Amatya, sorry, it is Amatya, and the work is keeping accounts. He used to look all the accounts work over there. Third one, Annaji Datto. And the designation was Sachiv, SACHIV. And what was the work? Royal Edict. Now, next one is you have to write the name of the person. Designation is written here. He was a mantri. So, who was mantri over there? And the name is Dattaji Trimbak Vaknis. DATTAJI Trimbak TRIMBAK Vaknis. WAKNIS. Okay. Sorry. Now next one, Senapati. The designation was Senapati. So what is the name of the person? That is Hambirrao Mohite. Hambirrao Mohite. HAMBIRRRAO. Hambirrao Mohite. MOHITE. Got it? Hope so you all have written the table. Now I am coming down to answer. Half the answer I have already told you. Ramchandra Trimbak Dabir. The designation was Suman. Nyadhish. Who was Nyadhish? Nirzi Rawaji. Okay. And Moreshwar Pandit Rao. What was the work designation is giving? He was Pandit over there and the work was religious matter. Got it? So, this is the answer of the following tables. Hope so you all have written. Write the spelling correctly. Now next question is you have to complete the diagram. Okay, you have to complete the diagram. See, this is a following diagram. Sea fort built by Shivaji Maharaj. Sea fort built by Shivaji Maharaj. And the answer is C. Sindhudurg and Padmadurg. Okay. Now second one is official of the fort. Who was the official of the fort? And the answer is C. Killedar, Shabnis and Karkhanis. Next one. Famous Sarnobat of cavalry. That is Netoji Palkar, Prataprao Guzar and Hambiprao Mohite. Hope so you all got the answer. Now there are few questions. First one, write the extent of Swaraj. You have to write it in point wise. Okay. So the first point is the Swaraj include the large area of Nashik, Pune, Satara, Sangli, Kolhapur, Sindhudurg, Ratnagiri, Raigad and Thane district of Maharashtra. Second point, it includes part of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Now the second one is, when was remission granted in land revenue and other taxes to the farmer? So remission in land revenue and the other taxes was granted to the farmer if there was excess rain or a drought, or if an enemy army devastated the villages? This is the second question. Now, third one. What was the warning given to the revenue officer by Annaji Datto? So the answer is, the revenue officer was warned that they should not collect more revenue than the amount that was fixed. They were to give remission in land revenue of excessive rain, drought, devastation caused by the enemy's army. Fourth one. How did Shivaji Maharaj encourage agriculture? Shivaji Maharaj encouraged agriculture by fixing the rate of land revenue. Second point, he encouraged peasants to bring uncultivated land under cultivation. Third one, he had instructed his officer to provide bullock, plough and good seed for sowing. Now, write about the cavalry of Shivaji Maharaj. The cavalry has two types of cavalrymen, the Shiledar and his own horses and weapons. Okay. Third one, the Bargis were more in number and they were provided horses and weapons by the state. Fourth one, the rank of the cavalry officer were similar to those of the infantry officer. Sarnobat was the highest officer of the cavalry. So these 5 questions you have to note it down. Okay. Now, these are few questions that you have to write it in your own. Okay, you have to read the textbook and you have to find the answer. So, these are the questions. Who was appointed as Pradhan by Shivaji Maharaj? Who appointed the Prime Minister of India? Who appointed the Chief Minister of Maharashtra? Who is the Prime Minister of India? Who is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra? See, who appoint and who is. Both the answer are not same, huh? Otherwise, you all will write the same answer. Who was the Finance Minister of Shivaji Maharaj? Who was the External Affairs Minister of Shivaji Maharaj? Who was the Chief Justice of Shivaji Maharaj? You have to write the answer in your book. Read the textbook properly. You will get everything in the textbook itself. Okay, students? So till then, thank you. Have a great day.